Assalamu alaikum and I warmly welcome you to the channel. Today in this video lecture we will be dealing with 10 words with prepositions. We will also look at the synonyms of these 10 words. So watch the video till end and subscribe the channel if you are new. Like the video and leave a comment only after you have successfully watched the video. So the word we have brought in this video is associate. The word associate usually tags preposition with, which has its meaning in Urdu as शरीक होना. ये जो वर्ड एसोसिएट है ये पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच में वर्ब है और ये विथ प्रीपोजिशन लेता है जिसकी उर्दू में मीनिंग है शरीक होना. द सिनोनिम्स ऑफ एसोसिएट इज ज्वाइन, अकम्पनी, मिक्स, कंबाइन. और ये जो वर्ड है एसोसिएट इसके जो सिनोनिम्स हैं वो हैं ज्वाइन, अकम्पनी, मिक्स, कंबाइन. यानी कि ये जो वर्ड सिनोनिम है इनकी मीनिंग सेम है एज एसोसिएट. एक जो वर्ड होता है उस वर्ड के जो सिनोनिम्स होते हैं उनकी मीनिंग सेम ही होती है. तो ये जो भी वर्ड्स हैं ज्वाइन, अकम्पनी, मिक्स, कंबाइन, इन सब की मीनिंग एक ही है, वो है शरीक होना. और ये खुद के साथ प्रीपोजिशन भी विथ ही लेंगे. सो लेट्स यूज द वर्ड एसोसिएट विथ प्रीपोजिशन in a sentence. I am associating with my friends in a party. So here associate takes preposition with, where it conveys the meaning of to join or to accompany. The second preposition or second word is assure, which usually takes preposition of. Its meaning in Urdu is यकीन दिलाना. Assure parts of speech में verb है. अश्वर के साथ हम प्रीपोजिशन ऑफ लगाते हैं. अश्वर की लघवी माना यकीन दिलाना है. द सिनोनिम्स ऑफ अश्योर इज कन्विंस, सेटिस्फाई, इंश्योर. ऑल दीज थ्री वर्ड्स हैव सेम मीनिंग एज द वर्ड अश्योर and these synonyms will take the same preposition to convey the same meaning. Let's use it in the sentence. His performance assured him of his win. Here in this sentence, assure is taking preposition of, which conveys the meaning of to convince or to satisfy or to ensure. The third word is attached, which takes preposition to, और इसको हम उर्दू में जुड़ा हुआ कहते हैं. यानी कि इसकी मीनिंग उर्दू में है जुड़ा हुआ, समथिंग कनेक्टेड और समथिंग और समबडी कनेक्टेड. इसके सिनोनिम्स हैं एफिलिएटेड, कनेक्टेड. As I previously told you, synonyms are the words with the same meaning and these words will take the same preposition. So we will use same preposition with the word affiliated and connected. I mean to say that we will use preposition to with the both words affiliated and connected. Likewise affiliated to and connected to. Let's use the word attached in the sentence. He was attached to his family and friends. You can make great many sentences on these words. The fourth word is averse. It takes preposition to, which means नाराज या फिर नाखुश. The synonyms of the word averse is opposing or hostile. He is averse to your achievement. Here in this sentence, averse takes preposition to and conveys the meaning of opposing or to be hostile. The fifth word is careful, which takes preposition about or for, which means मोहतात या फिर फिक्रमंद. केयरफुल एक ऐसा वर्ड है जिसके साथ आप प्रीपोजिशन अबाउट भी लगा सकते हैं, फॉर भी लगा सकते हैं, और ये एडजेक्टिव है इसलिए इसके जो सिनोनिम्स होंगे वो भी एडजेक्टिव ही होंगे. इसके सिनोनिम्स हैं cautious, concerned, precise. So now let's use it in the sentence. You must be careful about your better prospect. Here the word prospect means future, means mustaqbil. I repeat, you must be careful about your better prospect, and the word prospect means future. You can use for instead of about in this sentence and still the sentence will be correct. You must be careful for your better prospect is also a correct sentence. Sixth word is compare. इट टेक्स प्रीपोजिशन टू। इसकी उर्दू में मीनिंग होगी तशबीह देना। इसके सिनोनिम्स हैं लाइक इन, मैच और रिलेट। और इन सिनोनिम्स के साथ भी प्रीपोजिशन टू यूज़ कर सकते हैं। कंपेयर एक वर्ब है पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच में, तो ये सेंटेंस में भी एज अ वर्ब ही इस्तेमाल करेंगे। सेंटेंस है अली कंपेयर्ड हिज राइटिंग to that of Ali compared his writing to that of Aslam's. So here in this sentence, compare is placed as an adverb and it takes preposition to. 7 word is compassion. Compassion takes preposition for. It means हमदर्दी या फिर खुदा परस्ती. Synonyms of compassion is sympathy, humanity, grace. Compassion is noun in parts of speech and will take place as a noun in the sentence. As in sentence, I have compassion for the poor. Here compassion is used as a noun and takes preposition for. 8th word is compliment. It takes preposition on और इसकी लघवी माना होगी सराहना या फिर तारीफ करना। इसके सिनोनिम्स हैं प्रेज, एडमायर या फिर फ्लैटरी। Let's use it in the sentence. The sentence is, they complimented me on the way I dressed. Here the word compliment is used as a verb and takes preposition on. 9th word is compensation. It takes preposition for. It means मुआवजा या फिर हर्जाना. Synonyms for compensation are reward, payment, wage. If we use it in the sentence will look like he gained some compensation for his loss in a storm. Here the word compensation is used as a noun and takes preposition for. 10th and last word of the video is comply. It takes preposition with, which means taslim karna या मान लेना. Synonyms of comply are agree or admit. If we use it in sentence, it will be used as a verb and will take preposition with. As in the sentence, students must comply with the rules and regulations of the school. So I explained all these words along with the prepositions and synonyms, and I hope that you have enjoyed the lecture till the end, and I expect you to visit the playlist for more videos made particularly on STS test. Please subscribe the channel for more updates and leave a comment for any suggestion or recommendation so that I will improve the coming videos. Thank you and Jazakallah.